Did you know that you can code Python in Google? Yes, that's possible. Let me show you how. Go to your Google Drive, click the New button, and then go to the bottom and click More. Then click Connect More Apps. It should open a pop-up window showing all the available apps that you can connect in your Google Drive. What we need is the Collaboratory app. Colab allows anybody to write and execute Python code through the browser. Click on the Install button and then press Confirm. It would connect Colab to your Google Drive. Press Done and close the pop-up window. Now click the New button again and then go to the bottom and click More. Now you will see an option that says Google Collaboratory. Click that and it will create a new Google Colab file. It looks very similar to Jupyter Notebook for Python. Now, click on a cell and write the famous command print hello world. And then click the play button on its left. Hooray! You just ran a Python code in Google. Excellent! It's a great way to code in Python because it doesn't require you to install anything on your computer. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and follow me on TikTok or YouTube, where I post about data science to help understand the concepts and techniques for analyzing data so that you never feel stuck with data. Thanks for watching.